Hello students, I am Madhumita Banerjee. I welcome you to Jataka story class. Today is Friday 30th July and today you will be reading part 2 of the story The Real Savior, and the pages you are going to read today are 37, 38 and 39. Let's recapitulate what we have already read from this story. The Bodhisattva was born as a golden deer. He lived in a forest along with 500 deer of his clan. He was known as the king deer. In the same forest lived another golden deer of a different clan. He too had 500 deer with him. Then what happened? There was a king. The name of the king was Brahmadatta, and he was the king of Varanasi. He was very fond of hunting and he used to kill deer because he liked deer meat. Now, but Brahmadatta's friends, they chalked out a plan. They driven all the deer to the palace garden because they didn't like to go for hunting. So just to avoid hunting, all the deer were chased to the palace garden. So the king also became very happy. Now let's see what happens next, because each day the cook of the king will go to the garden of the palace and he will get a deer for the king. So it's a very dangerous situation for the deer, isn't it? Now let's see what happens next. Next morning, the cook arrived in the garden. He tried to catch a deer, but all of them ran faster than him. Each one tried to save the other. Some of them climbed on the cook's back and even kicked him. The cook failed to catch a single deer. He went back and returned with his kitchen staff. They all kept running all over the palace. Finally, they could catch hold of one deer. They leapt with their catch. In this wild chase, a few deer got bruised and wounded as they tried to dodge the cook and his staff. So what happened? The cook went to the garden to get a deer from there, and each and every deer tried to save itself. So there was a complete what should we say? There was a very difficult situation. Okay, and in the process many deer got hurt also. But at last the cook returned again with other members of the group, and they were able to catch hold of a deer. Okay. Now see the hard words. Staff means members, bruised means damage the skin, wounded means injured, and dodge means to avoid by moving suddenly out of the way. Who used to do so? The deer, no? To save themselves from this human being. Okay, now let's see what happens next. The same chase was repeated the next morning and so on. The king deer was very unhappy about this situation. He told the head deer, "Let us offer one deer to the cook every day. We can send one from our clan on alternate days. We shall give them serial numbers so that they would go on their own. We will not have to remind them. This arrangement will save other deer from being hurt and wounded." So see here, head deer and king deer, they took a decision. They understood that because every day the king's cook and the members will come, they will chase the deer, and in this procedure other deer also will get hurt. So it's better one by one they will offer themselves for the king. So this decision was granted. They decided to do so, and everyone also they were ready to follow this decision. So clan means group. An alternate day from each group there were 2 clans, no? So from each group or each clan, one day one deer, the next day from the other group another deer. So in this way, alternate means happening by turns. Okay. This proposal made a lot of sense. So everyone was little bit, what should I say, relaxed. Yes, because that hue and cry, running, chasing, that is stopped. Now all the deer of both the clans were numbered. They given number. So this is today is your turn. Number 1 will go today. Number 2 from other clan, like this. Okay. Every morning one deer as per his turn would quietly go near a stone slab and wait for the cook. All were comfortable with this arrangement. The days thereafter passed smoothly. So the deer by itself used to go near a stone slab. Slab means a very large flat piece, and used to wait there for the cook to come and to catch him, and just then after taking the deer, they used to kill the deer for the meat. Okay, so this was a very bad situation also, but at least that chasing, running, that already stopped. Now one day a beautiful female deer went to the head deer and said, "It's my turn today, but I am going to have a baby. Once my baby is born, you will have 2 deer for the king. Why don't you say somebody else in my place today?" This female deer, she was going to give birth to a baby. So she said to the head deer that this time she doesn't want to go. She said, "I don't want to go this time. Please send someone else, because I'm going to give birth to a baby. And when my baby will be in this earth, then 2 of us one by one we can go for the king." This was her proposal to head deer. Okay. Now see what happens smoothly. See the hard words also. I already said the meaning of slab, a large flat piece, and smoothly means without any disturbance. Okay. Now the head deer, hearing the proposal of the she deer, head deer was furious. Furious means very angry. He yelled, means he shouted. What he said? "How can I send someone else whose turn is yet to come? It's your turn today. You will have to go. I don't care about you and your baby." So the head deer, he was very angry. What he said? Shouting that he was least bothered about the mother deer, and the mother deer means the baby which is yet to be born. No. So he said, "No, I cannot send anyone. It is your turn. You will be going." See, he is so furious that just as if fume is coming out of his nose. Now the female deer wept quietly. The female deer, she was helpless. She was crying. She went to King Deer and made the same request. So this time she went to the King Deer, and then she said the same words to the King Deer. The King Deer was kind and considerate. Considerate means very caring. He sympathized with the female deer, because female deer, she was going to give birth to a baby, no? And so King Deer, he was very kind. He sympathized with female deer. He was worried about the unborn baby. He thought for a while and told her, "Don't worry, dear, you will not go today. Please go and take care of yourself. I cannot ask anyone else, but I will take your turn." So see how kind was the king dear. He said, "Okay, as you no need to take any do not feel worried. You go from here, take rest." Whom he said so? To the female deer. You take rest and take care of your baby, which will be coming to this earth few days after. And but one thing is certain, that I cannot request anyone to go for the go near the slab and just to offer itself. So it's myself I am going to be, or I will be offering myself today for the king. Okay. On hearing this, the female deer felt sorry for King Deer, but at the same time she was full of gratitude. She was happy that she would be able to give birth to her baby. Now the female deer, she was really very sorry. She felt sorry for the king deer, because actually this was not the turn of the king deer to offer himself, but he was very kind and very caring, so he allowed the female deer to go and take rest, because she would be giving birth to a baby, and that day he decided to offer himself for the king. Okay, and see the hard one. Gratitude means the state of being grateful. So this much reading is for today. Now see what is there for you all. MCQ, multiple choice question. I will be asking you questions, and then there will be, you have to choose options from here. Okay. The name of the story is, which option is correct? Jataka story or the real savior? Which one is correct? Option B, the real savior. Number 2 question. The head deer and king deer were two brown deer or golden deer? Which one is correct, children? Yes, it's option B, golden deer. Third question. Head deer was kind, unkind. What do you think? Just recall what I said. How was the head deer's behavior towards the female deer? He was furious. So was he kind? No, he was unkind. The female deer cried loudly or quietly? Yes, you said correctly, no? It's quietly. The king deer was considerate, inconsiderate. The king deer, was he considerate? Was he caring or inconsiderate? He was considerate. Okay. So, you will be reading this story twice. Thank you, children. We will meet once again coming Friday. Stay safe.